Hi, thank you for joining us. In this video, we will show how to easily connect Timbr to Microsoft Excel to use and analyze the data from our knowledge graph in Excel. For this video, we will use a supply chain knowledge graph. To begin, we will need to download the Microsoft Spark ODBC driver. You can find the link in the description of this video. Once downloaded, we'll open the ODBC administrator pane in our computer. We'll navigate to the System DSN tab and we'll click on Add. Next, we'll select the Microsoft Spark ODBC driver and click Finish. A pop-up window will now appear asking us to fill in the driver setup details. We'll begin by entering the data source name, which will be Timbr. Then, we'll enter the host name or IP of the Timbr environment we're using. Next, we'll enter the port of the Timbr environment. Beneath that, we'll change the mechanism to username and password. For the username, we'll type token @ followed by the name of the knowledge graph we want to connect to, which in this case is the supply chain knowledge graph. In the password section, we will enter our user token. The personal token can be found in the Timbr platform homepage. We'll copy the token from the platform and paste it as our password. For thrift transport, we'll select HTTP or SASL in cases where SSL is required. If SSL is required, we will then click on SSL options and choose to enable SSL. If it is not required for us, we can leave HTTP and uncheck the Enable SSL option and continue by clicking OK. Finally, we can click on Test to test our connection. If the connection is successful, we should get a success message. Once successful, we'll click on OK to finish the setup. Now, we'll return to the ODBC administrator pane and select our newly added data source, Timbr, and we'll click OK. Great. Now, let's head on over to Excel. In Excel, we'll start by clicking on the Data tab, and we'll choose Get Data. In Get Data, we'll hover over from Other Sources, and we'll select from ODBC. A pop-up window will appear asking us to choose a data source. We'll open the drop-down and select Timbr. Now, we have two options. The first is to click on OK, which will enable us to choose the data we'd like to load from the knowledge graph concepts. The second option is to click on Advanced Options, which will enable us to write a query and get the data according to the query. Let's go ahead and click on OK. Once more, we'll enter our username and password. And when finished, we'll click on Connect. In the navigator window that appears, we'll choose the schema and concept we would like to load from the list, and we'll click on Load to load the data. And there we have it. Just like that, we were able to connect Timbr to Excel, allowing us to use Timbr as the data source and present the data in Excel for further usage. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in our next videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.